Hey guys, and welcome back, and today I'm going to be showing you how to use Proton VPN for TikTok. So whether you are in any of the region where TikTok shop or TikTok itself is showing some problems and you cannot connect to that, but you need to do that, so you can use Proton VPN quick connect feature. You can see on the top left, once you install your Proton VPN, if you do not know how to install it, you can watch our previous videos, and you can see over here we have this quick connect option that we're going to be using today. So once you connect this on your Windows device, and whether you're using TikTok on any of the device, you can do the same process. And you can see we have the region now connected. This is in this part of the world going to be the US. You can see United States, and boom, after that you can see we have all these statistics showing up in here, the IP and the load percent, the WireGuard upload and download and everything. So once you have that done, you can use TikTok easily.